nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think.
Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. In this video, I'm going to be doing yet another INH Hair haul. As always, timestamps are in the description below if you're looking for a specific piece of information. It's there. I got you guys. Now, I haven't been as active on my channel as I used to be because I have been working on my EP, which is basically like a mini album, and it's going to be coming out in August. But hopefully in the next couple of months, I'm going to be a little bit more regular on my channel again. So in this haul, I have the Unicorn Brit ponytail, the Miley Buns, and again, the shade Unicorn. And then I have Rosie, and then I have Luna. Now, I want to say real quickly that this is an unsponsored video. I don't have an affiliate link. All of these things were purchased on my own, and all of the reviews are going to be 100% my own. So first up, I'm going to put on the Brit ponytail.
When I rap, dap you up, then I leave, yeah.
Where did I get it for all of my city? I'm throwing, I'm spitting. I know you be feeling, I ain't never chilling. It's nothing, I'm feeling myself when I rapping, it's nothing to me. Do what I gotta be rapping a lot, I be calling the shots to be saying I'm how to be dropping these bars. I do it off top, feel like an invite, ain't nothing for free. Oh yeah, I see you all up in my section. Thank you to the haters, hope you ain't got no depression. They gon' see me winning, hella angry, they be texting. I still got some love for you, why you be hating me?
So this is the Brit ponytail, which is one of INH's most popular types of ponytail styles. They usually come out with a lot of different colors for this particular style. This unicorn hair color is so flippin' cute. I want to just say the reason why I love it so much is that it has this beautiful pastel color to it. So I have pastel purple, pastel pink, I see some green in there, and you wouldn't think that all that goes together, but it's really stunning. I also see some kind of aqua, but it's really cute. So I decided instead of wearing like white or black that I would wear one of the colors that's in the hair, which is pastel purple, this little lilac color. And I think it really draws it in together. So this is 26 inches long and 175 grams. Now this is definitely not for people who have sensitive scalps. My scalp has been through it all. It's basically a seasoned veteran at this point, so I can handle it. But if you do have migraines kind of frequently or you get headaches easily, then I would probably say go for INH's lighter ponytails and kind of work your way up. Honestly, I'm really surprised because all the colors together, I wouldn't have thought that this would be so cute, but really it is, and it goes really nice with this outfit. So I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. And while I'm here, I'm gonna go and put on the Miley Buns. Let's go do that.
Nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think. Give me props when I rap, dap you up, then I leave, yeah.
Where did I get it for all of my city? I'm throwing, I'm spitting. I know you be feeling, I ain't never chilling. It's nothing, I'm feeling myself when I rapping, it's nothing to me. Do what I gotta be rapping a lot, I be calling the shots to be saying I'm how to be dropping these bars. I do it off top, feel like an invite, ain't nothing for free. Oh yeah, I see you all up.
So these are the Miley Space Buns. Again, it is in the unicorn color. So same exact colors as were in the Brit ponytail as well. It is 75 grams total. Honestly, it's super easy to put on. I've done a tutorial in the past on how to put these on, so that's linked in the bio below if you're interested. Honestly, these are really cute. I definitely think for festival season, this is a cute idea. I liked how it looked with this puff jacket, but it's really easy to put on, and I just put a little bit of bobby pins to secure it. But it's like, hey, they're not coming out. I personally don't usually wear space buns a lot. I think when I do, it's very much for, you know, going out, going to a music festival or something like that. So they're not really usually my kind of vibe. But I think that if space buns are for you, you should definitely get the unicorn ones because they're very fun and I think really capture the essence of the fun, flirty nature of space buns in general. So I give these space buns a 5 out of 5. Next up, we're gonna be putting on Luna. Let's go put her on.
Bumping my tunes and singing my songs to me. I'm anything and everything your girl wants you to be. Pulling up from 3, pulling up and talking shit, they love it when I speak. Baddie to the left of me, she kissing on my cheek. All up on my way, they wanna catch me at the beach. Like, ooh, soaking up the heat. Melanin all on my body, black up every sweet. Once I'm up, the homies up, cause everybody eat. Popping like it's double bubble, you gon' really see.
You better talk nice to
So this is the Luna wig. I have styled her to be a little bit half up, half down. It's more like 10% up and most of it down. I think I might also cut the bangs just a little bit because I like when my eyebrows show, but also, I don't know. Comment down below, let me know what I should do. If I should cut the bangs or just leave them as is. The wig is 21 inches long and weighs 307 grams. Now, I don't know how this wig got inspired, but a while ago during the pandemic, I was watching 90 Day Fiancé before the 90 days, and I was seeing Erica's hairstyle, and it was this half pink, half purple. I immediately sent it to Jordan, and I was like, you have to absolutely do this wig. And this kind of reminds me of that wig, except curly. I really love how this looks like. Like, this is something that I cannot do at the salon without it costing so much for upkeep, especially with hair that is as dark as my eyebrow. So that's something I really like. I also kind of like how each half of my face is like a different personality, pretty much. Like, hey, you're talking to like the flirty side of me, and this is the more badass side of me. This is limited edition though, meaning that once it's sold out forever. You guys know that I'm definitely much more partial towards the wigs versus ponies, but that's just because I can live vicariously through wigs, and it's something that is really hard to achieve with my specific hair color and texture. I always love the wigs, and of course I have to give the wig a beautiful 5 out of 5. Next up is the last wig, which is the Rosie wig. Let's put her on.
I'm anything and everything your girl wants you to be. Pulling up from threes, pulling up and talking shit, they love it when I speak. Baddie to the left of me, she kissing on my cheek. All up on my way, they wanna catch me at the beach. Like, ooh, soaking up the heat. Melanin all on my body, black up every sweet. Once I'm up, the homies up, cause everybody eat. Popping like it's double bubble, you gon' really see.
You better talk nice to me, I'm in your head, I invest. That's a short-term fee, got it locked, I'm the best. Well, at least that's what I think, give me props.
You guys, so this is the Rosie wig. She is 26 inches in length, 301 grams. Honestly, this surprised me the most because I didn't know if I was really feeling it when I saw this wig on other people. But girl, I am really feeling her on me. One thing that's really interesting is that it has little gray pieces in the dark brown part, and it really like has this ombre effect that's kind of this like rose gold pink to like a pale pink at the bottom. It is really beautiful. It feels very seductress, vampy to me. I am so shook how much I love this one. I love how it feels. It feels so incredibly silky. It does have a lace front, so for those of you who like to use that, there you go. But honestly, I think this one's so cute. And I feel like if I had to choose one piece from my haul that you absolutely had to have, it probably would be this wig, surprisingly enough. So I'm gonna give this obviously a 5 out of 5. But I'm curious to hear which piece was your favorite from the haul, so comment down below, let me know. But that concludes my INH hair haul. I hope you guys found this video super informational and fun. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other INH hair hauls videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.
Until your bra show you passing as a young and they was laughing at it in the street. Bumping my tunes and singing my songs to me. I'm anything and everything your girl wants you to be.